Police have identified two men who were shot dead at Trout Hall in Frankfield, Clarendon on Friday. They are 55-year-old Donald Richards, otherwise called Mackie, an auto body repairman, and William Sharp, 38, a construction worker, both from Trout Hall. An elderly man said to be about 70 years old was injured in the shooting, the police said. Reports are that all three men were at a garage in the community when two white motor cars, one believed to be an Axio, drove up to the location and the occupants opened gunfire at them. The now deceased were hit all over their bodies and the now injured man shot in the shoulder. Richards, the police said, died on the spot, while Sharp, an elderly man, was transported to hospital where Sharp was pronounced dead. The injured man was stabilized and transferred to another hospital, the police said. A man has been charged after he and his accomplice allegedly stabbed a man during an altercation on Gold Street in Kingston on Saturday, November 18, 2023. Charged is 25-year-old Tyreek Edwards, a block builder of Antigua Road in Kingston. He is charged with wounding with intent. Reports from the Central Police are that about 9:30 p.m., Edwards and his co-accused had an altercation with a man during which they held the man and inflicted stab wounds to his back. The complainant escaped and reported the matter. He was taken to hospital where he was admitted in serious condition. On Wednesday, February 7, Edwards was arrested and subsequently charged following a question and interview. His court date is being finalized. A 41-year-old Manchester man died while celebrating his birthday on Saturday night after his motorcycle collided with another bike in Downs, Manchester. Police and residents named the deceased as Kemal Witter, a resident of Precious Plain on the Manchester-St. Elizabeth border. Witter on Saturday morning posted a video on social media to celebrate his birthday. His birthday came to a tragic end as, according to the police report, about 9 p.m. Witter was driving an Orange Movement MOV 750 motorcycle on Beach Crescent off the Litties Main Road when he collided with another motorcyclist who was traveling in the opposite direction. Police said the other motorcyclist failed to keep left, resulting in the collision.